Hey everyone, this is Chris. I'm out here at Junction City at Guarantee RV, and I wanted to show you this really awesome Coachmen Freedom Express. It is a 279 rear dining with a slide, and one of the things I wanted to start out with is just by showing you one of my favorite parts of it right here. This is the 5.1 system, which basically is a power tongue jack, and all your stabilizing jacks come down in power, so you don't have to go around and crank anything or do anything like that. It's all just power. And what I really like that, because you know, I like to just do things easy, and that's a really nice easy way of setting things up. So you've got a couple nice tanks here, LED lights, beautiful automotive painted gel cap. These are designed very well, Alumacage construction, and on the inside they have Asdel composite panels, which are impervious to moisture, mildew, and mold. So it's a wonderful trailer, quality trailer, and I love the floor plan on this. I want to show you around. Come on in. One of the things that people always comment when they walk in these is they say, wow, I love the colors. They're very light. You'll notice it's real wood, but it's a beautiful color. All the furnishings in here are gorgeous. Look at even the floor, how beautiful that is. You've got your entertainment system right here, which this TV can pop out and swivel. You can see it from everywhere. You've got a DVD and your audio unit here, and right underneath, which is, I love this, is an electric fireplace. So this is really nice when you're plugged in somewhere. You can have a beautiful fireplace in here. It'll help heat this, and you're not using your LP, which is really nice. You got a wonderful couch back here in front of this big picture window with nightstands that have doors that open for extra storage. This sofa is also a tri-fold bed, so you can sleep a couple adults here very comfortably. And look at this, in this nice long dinette you can also sleep some adults. Right here the table is set up in the drop position, so it shows how it can make into a bed. What I love about these tables is you can even pull the table out and you can set it right here in front of the sofa if you want to eat in front of the TV like we do at home a lot and watch TV. So that's a pretty neat feature. A lot of extra storage up here. A lot of times people want to put their laptops or whatever up here, and you've got space to do that with storage underneath. So it's a lot extra storage right there for things. And this kitchen is wonderfully appointed. You'll notice nice hard countertops, this really nice high-end faucet, big farmhouse sink, higher end appliances all by Furrion, the microwave, the stove, the oven, the fan. Lots of counter space. If you want to have a coffee pot or a Keurig or a Instapot, whatever, you've got a place to put that there. Look at all this storage, nice and deep. You can get a ton of food up in here. And I really like the fact that they matched the fridge and freezer with the cabinetry, just like you'd expect in a high-end home. Beautifully appointed. Of course, you've got the air conditioner. It's ducted throughout the coach. And a couple of extra windows into the hallway. There's a lot of light in this trailer, and I think in the Pacific Northwest, with as many overcast days as we have, boy, having lots of windows with natural light coming in and a lighter setting is very nice. Let's check out the bathroom next. This is one of the nicest showers I've seen. It's very big, beautiful triple slide glass doors. You've got nice storage, a medicine cabinet. Really a very spacious bathroom for a trailer this size. And you'll notice here the bedroom Has a sliding door. And I love what they did right here. Isn't that neat looking? It's kind of a barnwood look right there. Got storage under the bed. All your storage up above and on the sides for closet space. Plug-ins, beautiful little lights that light up. This is really, really a nice, beautiful trailer, nice, beautiful bathroom. And again, this whole thing is aluminum frame with Azdel composite panels. This is going to be a very good performing trailer for you for years and years to come. I would love to show you this trailer. We've got several other floor plans in this brand that are fantastic. So I know we've got the right one, whether it be a small one you're looking for or one that's really big, we've got them all right here at Guarantee. So give me a call. My name is Chris Bystead, 541-636-7878.